Hi, this is Lisa from A Couple's Place, and I want to talk to you about a workshop we offer called the Art and Science of Love Weekend Workshop for Couples. It's based on the work of Dr. John Gottman and Bob Levinson and their research of real couples and what happy couples were doing differently than couples who lost their way. And you're going to learn about that over the weekend, and you're going to practice with your spouse or your partner over day one and day two some communication exercises to help strengthen your relationship in the way that those relationships were strong in the research. On day one, we're going to talk about friendship and how important friendship is to your relationship, to your connectedness and emotional connectedness with your partner, as well as to how conflict goes. Because when couples have a strong friendship, when they essentially feel close to their partner, then when they do have a fight or they have a disagreement, which is perfectly normal in healthy relationships, they're fighting with their friend and not with somebody that they don't feel knows them or is interested in them. On day two, we're going to teach you what happy couples were doing differently in terms of how they managed conflict. And you're going to get a chance, again, to practice with your partner in private breakout sessions. Things like, how do you repair a fight when you have one? How do you talk about a perpetual difference in a more positive way and not get stuck in gridlock? And we're going to end the workshop in shared meaning and really have you kind of visiting maybe some goals for the future and what shared meaning means for you as a couple. So over the weekend, as you're working in those communication exercises, certified Gottman therapists will be on hand to help you with the exercise as needed. So we kind of dive in, if you need some help, give you some assistance, and then we leave you be. If you don't want any intervention from the roving therapist, you just don't make eye contact and we'll leave you alone. There is no pressure to share publicly in this weekend workshop. Our goal for you is day one to really help you build your friendship, to day two help you better manage conflict, and have a stronger sense of shared meaning. We believe if you can shift the trajectory of your relationship just a little bit, that over time that really grows. And for many couples who take this workshop, that is the case. So I hope that you'll join us. Check out more information on acouplesplace.com. Thank you.